Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be a short video. It's using my Char-Broil Big Easy oilless turkey fryer for the first time this year. I had purchased a 14.75 pound turkey. It should take 2 to 2.5 hours to cook. Did preheat the cooking pot because this is the first time that I used it this year. It is recommended that you preheat your Big Easy for 10 to 15 minutes before placing your turkey into the cooking pot. And I will show you some photos right now of what it looked like right after I prepped the turkey and when I put it into the Big Easy. So here is the prepped one. I just smeared some salt and pepper on top of it, and then I dumped a little bit of butter, melted butter, on top of it. And here is what it looks like inside the pot. And now here's a video of it 50 minutes after it's been cooking, so it's almost halfway through, and it does look pretty sweet, and it's coming along great. It's nice and brown, as you can see, all the way around. And in case you hear that sound in the background, that is my Big Easy cooking my turkey. I do use a thermometer, so as soon as that thermometer reaches 165, it should be done. So with this video, I do highly recommend using the Char-Broil Big Easy compared to an oil turkey fryer. You can Google search on the internet how many fires are caused by oil turkey fryers, and I'm sure there are quite a few that don't make it into the news. So in my opinion, this is the best way to go. There is 0% chance of any type of flare-ups or fires being caused by this Big Easy. Unless you put something on top of the Big Easy while it's cooking and that catches on fire, then you're going to have a fire. Well, anyway, this turkey is looking pretty good, as you could see by the photo that I had inserted. If for some reason your turkey isn't brown enough to your liking, you can place this mesh lid on top of the Big Easy the last 15 minutes of it being cooked. It's not recommended that you use that mesh cooking lid full time. You can use it on and off on cold, windy days, but not full time. If you're looking to get your Char-Broil before Christmas, you should check right now. I'm sure it'll probably take a week or so to get it in the mail. You can purchase these from charbroil.com, amazon.com, your local hardware store like Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace. I'm not too sure if any of them have them in stock right now, but I'm going to check right now. I'm going to check right now to see if they have them in stock. I just checked on amazon.com. They are still available. They sell for $129.99. So if you want to get your Big Easy in time for your Christmas dinner, you better order it now, because I'm sure they won't stay in stock very long. Sorry about the video not being up before Thanksgiving, but I had to wait until I made my Thanksgiving turkey. So anyway, this video should have been up a few days after Thanksgiving. So now you'll have plenty of time to order your Char-Broil Big Easy oilless turkey fryer from Amazon, or from Char-Broil, or from, you can go to Lowe's and get it, probably Home Depot. In case you're curious where all the drippings go, they wind up right here. There's a hole in the bottom of the Big Easy cooking pot, and it all goes into this tray. You can use these drippings for gravy, but it is recommended, if you do that, you purchase some liners for this slide out tray. The turkey's been in there for 1 hour 45 minutes. The turkey's been in there for 1 hour and 50 minutes. And it's almost done. The turkey took exactly 2 hours 51 seconds. And here's the bird, nice and evenly brown. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was a short video of my Char-Broil Big Easy oilless turkey fryer. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks again for watching, and like all my other videos, there are some bloopers at the end. And excuse some of the cuss words, but I get really frustrated. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, and I guess that's it. Have a good day. Bye. This entire video was filmed with my Kyocera Dur Force Pro 2 cell phone. in aspect ratio 1.1, and it was photoshopped, or it is, no, it will be photoshopped with my Photoshop 2021. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hope you guys enjoy this short video, and I don't think there's going to be any bloopers this time, so that's it. And once again, we have another stupid neighbor that I swear to God, I think they wait until I make a little video and they get out their fucking lawn equipment. So, like all my other videos, there should be some bloopers at the end. So, and I got quite a few, because every time I started to film, either somebody would start an air compressor next door, mow their yard, or an airplane would fly overhead, and this camera, which is my Kyocera Dur Force Pro 2 phone, picks up all the sound, which is really frustrating, because these videos shouldn't take very long to film, but they do. Test 1, test 2, test 3. So here are some photos of the turkey before I actually put it into the Big Easy, and what it looked like as soon as I put it in. And then of course you already saw the photo or the video of the turkey that when it was damn it, I'm getting frustrated. So that's it, and of course here comes another airplane overhead, so I'm going to do this scene over, motherfuckers. Test 1, test 2, test 3. I just checked on Amazon. 1, test 2, test 3. I know this video didn't make it up before Thanksgiving, but you will have plenty of time to order. Wait a minute, how's that going to go again? I swear, if it's not, I know I say this in other videos. I started this video earlier. Right when I started, somebody was doing an air compressor next door. So then I waited. Once he was done, I got off this camera again, and then someone started doing yard work. So I waited for that, and then I started making another video, and then an airplane goes overhead. And that pisses me off. You won't be able to use it for okay. The little 5-second scene will take 15 takes. I don't get it, but that's what happens. Well, anyway, one more take. Do not use that mesh lid from the beginning. That mesh lid is only designed to be used on the last 15 minutes and on and off occasionally on cold, windy days. It is not recommended to use it on full cooking. I don't know. That don't make sense. 1, test 2, test 3. If for some reason your turkey isn't brown enough to your liking, you can place the cooking lid. It's a stainless steel mesh cooking lid. You can place it on top of the damn it. Can't get that right. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was a short video of my Char-Broil Big Easy oilless turkey fryer.